oil is coming from here or it is coming from here. Copy it, guys? Because that is how you clean the filter as well. See, if oil is coming from here and going over here, that means all the kachra is going to get deposited inside over here. Okay. Open the vent, check, and get up. Filter over here. Filter over there.
Filters. These videos are not available anywhere in the world. Isn't it an amazing find? Now guys, on Merchant Navy Decoded, if you are a junior engineer or a fourth or a third or a second or a chief, with respect to your rank, different excellence packages are available. And now if you want to buy, use filter50 coupon code and get flat 50% off. Invest on these packages. Make your life count. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Watch video till the end.
Seawater line. These are the filters fitted in the compressed air line. दोनों compressed air line का filter यहाँ से निकालो, साफ करो. Small filter. Come. These are the automatic filters. Automatic filters. Okay. Let's see cooler filter. Long filter over there. Okay. Come. This is the boiler pump. It has got both the boiler pumps have got filters fitted over here. Now see the indication is given. अगर center में रखा है, like this hand pump is in center right now. That means both the filters are in use. I repeat once again. This is the center. That means both the filters are in use. This pump is running. Oil is coming, going through both the filters and going to this pump. If I put it over there, this handle, that means this filter is in use. If I put it over here, like this, okay? If I put over here, this filter is in use. Copy it, guys? This is the main fillet supply pump. Now see, indication is over here. What does this indication mean? Oil is coming, going in both the filters. Okay, and then going out. If I move it like this filter is in use. If I move it like this filter indication is given over here as well as over here. These are the pressure gauges fitted over here. This is the main engine auto backward filter. It is working all the time. I am going to discuss it later. This is my flow meter. I have got a filter fitted in the flow meter line as well. You can see over here. So guys, see. In this filter there is one thing which is dangerous, and that is there is no vent over here. इसमें कहीं vent नहीं है. इसलिए we have to be very careful when we clean this filter, because chances are this line might be pressurized. So what we do is slightly open this and see whether oil coming or not. Covered? That is what you need to do. Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di, guys. Like I told you about the size of the filter, even this is a small filter, wide type filter fitted over here. Filters are not just fitted over here, they are also fitted in the steam traps, in the steam lines, in the return side. So, filters everywhere. I'll just show you one filter I cleaned over here, because I want to show you how a O-ring or a gasket is fitted or where it is fitted and why it is fitted. First of all, I have to clean this filter filter, मुझे पता है this filter is not running right now. It is not pressurized. Still, I'll open the vent and I see there is no oil coming over here. That means it is depressurized. Okay, see no oil is coming. So I can open this. Over here it is more easy to open. I open this cover. Always ensure whatever you do with cleanliness. अभी कपड़ा. Now guys see. यहाँ पर over here there is oil inside. You can see, right? Now, what will happen? And it will be pressurized. What will happen if there is no sealing over here? तो कुछ तो seal करने के लिए चाहिए. And metal does not provide sealing. And over here, this sealing is carried out by this O-ring fitted over here. See guys? Here, this is a rubber O-ring, rubber. And it has got some thickness. So when it is put inside over here in this groove and it is compressed, it basically covers all the space between this cover and this body over here. And that is how there is the leakage is stopped. Sometimes if there is no O-ring, then there is a gasket fitted over here. But we have to ensure that this O-ring or this gasket is in good condition. Like when I talk about this O-ring, it should be soft. It should be moving easily. It should not be hard. Because the moment it becomes hard, it has got cracks, then it becomes hard, then it does not seal properly. And that is where the leakage starts. Sometimes people put the filter and they do not put the O-ring. They forget to put the O-ring on the gasket. And when they open, oil splashes out. That is dangerous, guys. Should not happen. So very, very careful when you are boxing up. Got it? Jai Mata Di. So guys, now I'll just remove the filter and show you. This is a mesh type filter. And it is in clean state, guys. इसमें डीजल भरा हुआ है, it is clean. But for your sake, I'll just show you over here. See, this is a clean filter, guys. So what happens is oil is coming from here, इसके अंदर जाता है, and then from down through this mesh, it comes out from here into the incinerator. It is very, very important in the filter. You need to know ki what is the path. Oil is coming from here or it is coming from here. Copy it, guys? Because that is how you clean the filter as well. See, if oil is coming from here and going over here, that means all the kachra is going to get deposited inside over here. So you have to blow from outside. Copy it, ताकि वो कचरा निकल जाए. Suppose oil is coming from here and going in and out from over here. That means all the kachra is going to deposit outside. So then you have to blow the air from inside so that you can remove. So that is also something which you have to understand and know from how the flow is taking place so that you can clean the filter in the opposite direction. That's all from my side. Jai Mata Di.